We have an early warning weather alert because we are expecting to see wintry weather here maybe a little bit after this time tomorrow. We do already have winter weather advisories posted by the National Weather Service across interior sections of New Haven, Middlesex, New London counties and also Fairfield counties, and I suspect that as the other National Weather Service offices contemplate the situation too, there'll be more advisories and or warnings posted a little bit later on tonight and tomorrow morning. Our early morning pinpoint Doppler is showing nothing of the sort right now. There have been a few flurries around, but nothing related to the storm we're talking about that'll come in later on. In fact, generally speaking, we're expecting quiet weather through tonight and most of tomorrow. Most of the day tomorrow will be quiet. It's tomorrow night especially and into Tuesday that we're expecting to see a wintry mix of snow and sleet and freezing rain, even some plain rain may be in the mix on this as we get into Monday evening, Monday night, and Tuesday morning. I think this winds down sometime around the commute home on Tuesday. As we take a look out there now, you can see how our iCam over Hartford is showing quiet conditions and it is dry too. Same thing in New Haven. So all night long and into tomorrow morning, easy going. Same thing in Middletown. Throughout the state, it's going to be the same. Temperatures actually aren't that bad. It's still 42 in Hartford and 43 in New Haven. It's cooled off to 33 in Salisbury though, and the cooler air will win out. I do expect temperatures tonight to go into the 20s. The wind is dying off and we should see some clearing, not complete clearing, but some clearing enough that should help get temperatures down into the 20s tonight. But then tomorrow I think will be colder than today. We'll have the partly sunny sky in the morning, followed by increasingly cloudy skies through most of the day. Temperatures should be in the 30s. There'll be less wind tomorrow, but we'll hold off on that precipitation until probably after the commute or right at the commute home. It's sort of a question on the exact timing, but I think it really, for most of us, we don't have to worry about this thing all the way through the time we get home from work and school tomorrow. So here are the flurries that we were watching today. Here's the system that's going to come in tomorrow. And you can see there's a lot of snow over the Ohio Valley, so it does portend anyway that we could see some form of a wintry mix as this thing gets closer to us. So here's our futurecast tomorrow's weather today. Here's 6 o'clock in the morning. We see filming clouds and some sunshine out there. At 9 o'clock in the morning, the clouds are thickening up and continuing to do so through the course of Monday. But all the way through 3 o'clock, notice how we don't have any precipitation at all. This model holds it dry past 6 p.m. In fact, this model holds off the precipitation until very late. So this really saves us from any aggravation. We're really talking about this, according to the Futurecast, coming in as we look towards maybe 11 o'clock at night or into the wee hours of Tuesday. But as it does so, this model says snow for a while, and you can see it's holding on to snow in that blue color all the way through 5 a.m. from Hartford north. The mix, which is in the pink, would be across southern parts of the state. You can see that happening at 8 o'clock in the morning and all the way through noon. This model holds on to enough cold air that it's holding on to the idea, maybe even snow for a good portion of northern Connecticut. So yeah, I'd say anywhere from Hartford north, maybe 3 to 5 inches could fall. A coating to 3 inches anywhere from Hartford south with this between Monday night and Tuesday. I think we're going to see quite a bit of mixing, though, in the southern 2/3 of the state. And just to show you what our Futurecast potential icing shows, as we get into that time frame, you'll see some pretty good accumulations of sleet and maybe a little bit of freezing rain, too. So that's going to make things icy and also treacherous, I would say, especially for the Tuesday morning commute. So that's why in your early morning 7-day forecast, starting late Monday night and going through the morning and into the afternoon Tuesday, we have this early warning weather alert for this icy mix that we do expect to impact us. It's not a heavy accumulation kind of situation, but it is sort of an aggravation because it will make roadways slippery, especially for the morning commute Tuesday and maybe for the evening commute as well. As we look towards Wednesday and beyond, it looks much colder. Notice that by Thursday, we'll only have a high of 21, lows near 11, and then as we look towards Thursday night, down to 8. And one other issue might be Wednesday afternoon. A little clipper might come in with an Arctic front and give us a few snow showers then, too.
Always got surprises.
That's right. Well, it's not a surprise. You heard it here.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thanks, Mike.
Yeah.